Welcome to the Gonzo book. I am Jose and Shelly's upstairs doing what she does, and I'm here trying to learn my algorithms using my new flashcards. Sitting with my speed cube racing against time, trying to be my PB, got that rhythm in my rhyme. Competition stuff only the weak to show. Algorithms in my head, watch me steal the glow. I'm in training, watch me elevate. Speed cube skills, it's my time to dominate. Every twist, every turn, I'm racing to the peak. I'm a speed cuber and I'm ready, no defeat. It ain't easy, the pressure's weighing on my chest, but I'm grinding through the pain. That's how I manifest. Let's see if I remember the algorithm. I was trying to do it just in my head. Let's see if I can remember. See that? I was going the wrong way. Well, let's do that one again. This is the one I'm doing, the F2L1, which is up. It's U, R, U prime, R prime. U, R, U prime, R prime. But the way I'm trying to learn is, I'm trying to get this to look like this, just in my head, but that one's kind of easy. There it goes right there. And then I'm just trying to figure it out myself, how to solve it, before I learn the algorithm. So I want to try to learn how to solve it without the... So what it is just take it away and look at all that blank space right there. U, R, U prime, R prime. So it was my first official algorithm I learned. Do that one more time, just to I'm in a situation like that, where I had to put this set into here. And then once I do that, I'll finish the first two layers. So it's up, right, U prime, R prime, and I'm done. Cool. So I got one done. Let's try to get the other one. This is two right here. Two are similar. I got to get it that way first. I'm trying to do it. What say you, robot?
Danger, Will Robinson.
Danger, you say? Alright. Okay, I got it to look like this. Like I said, I was trying to figure it out myself. Turn it on its axis clockwise. Clockwise is it's going straight up on the Y, turn it. So now you have that white face view. Now, don't know what it is, so I'm going to look at it. Oh, so U prime is that way. So I got to take it out of the way. See that? Right now it's with the blue here. Move it over here. So that's U prime. Now I'm going to do something with L prime. Now I have this open right here. And it's going to be U and L. And I'm done. And that was pretty easy. Alright, so let me do that again. Let's see if I can remember. It's facing me now, so. Get it away. Is that the same? Yep. That wasn't too hard. Alright, so I got it to where I can use F2L.
The situation is everything's done. I just need this pair right here in the corner. And I need to bring this pair, which is together, down here. But I just can't move it down because it moves everything out the way. So I'm going to move this pair out of the way. And that is a U. No, that's a U prime. So that's after I turned it on the Y, the lowercase y. I rotated the whole Q, but now the red's facing me. So I'm staring at this white piece here. So I'm going to turn it U prime to get that pair out of the way so I won't mess it up. Then I want to do left prime, L prime, and then L prime I want to do U, and then L, and then I fixed it. Yeah. So I got 2 algorithms done. So I don't think it's ingrained in my head yet, because when you see it, you should react to it. Okay? But it's not like reacting. You want to use your muscle memory. So as soon as you see it, and then you get. Let's see if I can put it back to this position again. Yep, that's it right there. So that's the situation. F2L2, and that's it's the same situation. You see it better here. All right, let's see if I can remember how to do it. You want to send it away. So wait a minute, I'm in blue. I got to rotate it on the y-axis, counterclockwise, or correction, clockwise. So now the red's facing me with the white. Send that pair away to the right side. So that is a U prime. And then I want to do a left prime, and then a U, and a left. And then I solved it. Well, at least that first 2 levels. So these flashcards are helping out. And what I'm going to do is, once I know it, I'm going to put a little mark on it with a yellow mark on it. So I know that, hey, I went through it, I learned it. Am I going to remember it? No. But this is a card I did, and I accomplished it. And once I learn it again, I might put another yellow dot on this, and I went through it twice. And then once I know it, where I don't have to go back to these cards anymore, I can take them out. I'll put a green on there, take them out, and then stick them all in the green pile. All right, so it's going to take me a little bit, but I have it. What say you, robot?
I must warn the others, there is a dangerous alien among us.
All right.
The function of an environmental control robot is to supply all data pertinent to this particular field.
All right. And that's the only way you're going to learn, I think, to go faster. So that's all I have. So if you have any comments, comment down below, and I'll see if I can answer them as best as I can, because I'm not an expert. And without further ado, we'll see you guys on the other side.
So here's to the grind, and here's to the win. In the game of life, I'll always begin again.